Hello and welcome to my channel. So I've been working on making the sunrise skirt for a while, but it's taken me like a super long time to get it done because there's so many repeating stitches. So today I've decided I'm gonna also make a quick project. So I'm gonna be using the same pattern, the sunrise pattern, and I'm going to turn it into a bandana. So I'm going to have like a little sunrise collection of like a long split skirt, a short wrap skirt, bandana, cardigan, top, and maybe some trousers at some point if my brain allows me to sit and do it, because this is killing me slowly. So I'm going to bring you along with that, and then I think I'm either going to turn it into a tutorial for YouTube, or I'll just do a free pattern on my website. But either way, we're going to do this together. We're using the whatever this is, mercerized cotton in grey. I don't have many colours left, and I'm going to be using my 2mm hook. I have written out somewhat of a pattern ready, so I'm just going to test it out and tweak it if I need to tweak it as I go. Where the fuck is the end for this ball? How do you find the ends in this? Can't even poke it through. Right, 1 minute. So I've done half. No, I've done one repeating row, one sunrise stitch. What is wrong with my brain? And it fits here. And then from here I'm gonna start to decrease. I'm gonna start decreasing now, and hopefully I'll have this done by the end of the day. It is 12:25 right now, and this has taken me a whole hour because I was trying to figure out maths. Maths is not my strong suit. Anyway, I did it. So start off with 5 sunrise stitches, and now to decrease, and I'll come back to you once I've done like the next row. Every time I've done a row, not a row, this. Every time I've done one sunrise stitch, I will show you what it starts to look like, and then hopefully you like it. Okay, so it's the next day because my ex-boyfriend ruined my day yesterday and I just didn't want to fucking do anything. But I did finish. This is what I've got. This is my design, but I fear it may be too small. But I can't really see like what I'm doing. So somewhere like there. But is it too short? If I blocked it, maybe? This colour also makes me look like a milkmaid when I wear this. I just don't know how long it's supposed to be, but it feels a little bit too short. But I am gonna do a single crochet edge and then maybe go over again with a picket stitch edging. Then it gives it like 2 more layers, and also the straps. That's all I need to do. It was really easy and really quick, and I will block it. I don't usually block anything, to be honest, but this one I think I will, just because it's a little bit loosey goosey. Not loosey goosey at all. I'm gonna make it loosey goosey. Or maybe I should have used like thinner, like this kind of fabric. Anywho, I'm gonna finish this. It's gonna be like the sample, and then I will try and use this once I finish this. This will also be like my project today. I would say I'm about, let's see, maybe like three more rows to go, and then I'm done, which will take me, if I do it today, like actually do it, I might almost finish it and get it done tomorrow. So that can be like my thought process. It'll be finished tomorrow, and then maybe I'll finish it tomorrow. Or it could be in 2 weeks, who fucking knows. Anyway, I'm gonna do the border and I'm gonna show you what that looks like. Right, so I'm gonna block it because I just watched that video back and I don't like how much it sticks out, so I'm hoping maybe, because it's so thick, I think it's just too thick, I'm gonna block it and see how it sits, and it'll dry really quick because the sun's out, so I'm gonna do that right now and then show you. I'm also going to leave in my ends for once in my life. So I was going to show you what it looked like after blocking, but it made absolutely no difference. So my next sample is going to be with this thinner yarn, but I'm going to go do it at the beach. So I'm going to bring you along with me, and I'm going to start off with more sunrise blocks, I guess, to make it the same length. And I was going to bring the other one with me, but I just don't know where it is. I found it. Okay, it's here. So I'm going to take it with me and like get the measurements. Hopefully, I want it a bit longer, a bit wider and a bit longer. So hopefully have that finished by the end of the day, and this video will be posted tomorrow, and I'll be working on the pattern because I like how I've done it. I like it. I like the pattern. I just need to perfect the size and the yarn. This is too thick. You do not want thick. You want nice flowy flowy. I've done it. And I wouldn't try it on. This one stretches out a lot more. I think that's a good size. And the yarn's good. Let me put it on properly. Okay, I think I'm happy with that. It does just need to be a little tighter. I'm gonna make another one in black. I've got this yarn here. and I'm going to write up my pattern. I think also, yeah, I'm going to write up my pattern and block this. Maybe I'll block it, maybe I won't block it. I need a steamer or something. Anyway, I'm going to make another one, write up my pattern, and then hopefully I'm going to show you this black one as well in the daylight. Maybe I'll finish it tomorrow. Do I like this? I think it's just the colour I don't like. Anyway, I'll be back with the black one and the pattern. So I did break my phone. It fell off of my bike as I was driving on the highway and a car ran over it. So I'm using my iPad and it's not the best quality, so I don't know what to do about that. But I did finish the black one a couple of days ago. And I do like it. I can't see it with the quality of this camera either. Limited. Can you see it? Probably not. But it's cute. Anyway, I'm gonna have to end the video here because there's just nothing I can do with this camera quality. The camera. Maybe if I turn the camera around. Turns out the camera quality is the same on both sides. So I gave up. But here is my pattern. And I really hope you like it because it's gonna be out in like 2 days on my website and also on Etsy. I think one day I'll make a tutorial when I have a new phone. But for now, this is what we're dealing with. If you'd like to support me, please like, comment, share, subscribe, and maybe go check out my patterns. I think you'll like them. Thank you for watching. I hope you stick around and I'll see you in the next one.